Welcome to Radzen Blazor Studio. In this video, we'll learn how to add and configure the Radzen button, one of the most commonly used components in Blazor. You'll see how to customize its text, behavior, and style with just a few clicks. To begin, let's create a simple layout for our demo. From the toolbox, drag a RadzenStack onto the page. Set its orientation to vertical and alignment to center, so our content is neatly centered. Now, inside this stack, add a Radzen button. A default button will appear on the canvas. Let's start with the common properties. These define the basic function and label of your button. The text property sets the visible caption on the button. Let's set it to Submit. The ButtonType property determines its HTML behavior. You can select Button, Submit, or Reset, depending on your form needs. Next, under the Behavior section, we can define how the button behaves during user interaction. TabIndex sets the navigation order when using the keyboard. IsBusy enables a loading state for asynchronous operations. BusyText defines what appears when the button is busy, for example, submitting. Disabled lets you prevent user clicks when certain conditions apply, and visible controls whether the button appears on screen. The Templates group includes ChildContent, allowing you to add custom HTML, text, or even other components inside the button. Now for the fun part, styling your button. In the Look and Feel section, ButtonStyle chooses the theme, like primary, secondary, or danger. Shade adjusts brightness or contrast. Size changes button dimensions, small, medium, or large. Variant defines how it's displayed, for instance, filled, outlined, or text. You can add an icon to make it more visual, and even customize the icon color. Optionally, use an image instead of an icon and specify image alternate text for accessibility. The culture property appears because RadzenButton inherits from the base Radzen component class. Many Radzen components share it. For a button, you'll rarely need to change it, since the text property usually holds static or already localized text. But if your button's content depends on culture, like showing a date, number, or localized string, you can set culture to override the default for this component only. And that's how easy it is to add and configure the Radzen button in Radzen Blazor Studio. You can explore more customization options in the documentation or continue watching our next video. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and updates.